It's going up in price in 27 minutes now, actually 26 to be exact, and it will not be this low for 3 months guaranteed, which passes Halloween, Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, and gives you right into Christmas time. 800 gone. 800 without a presentation. Let's just put that into perspective, and it's under $30. You go to those funny little discount stores and you see something on a shelf and it's $30 and you don't know anything about it.
Right.
We know everything about Temp-tations.
You're right. And there's a lot of firsts here. So that cook and look lid, what I love about it with that 3-quart round baker, helper handles here on the side, that lid as well as the baker can go in the oven up to 500 degrees. So a lot of times you get those tempered glass lids and it's like 300.
Say that again, Tara Tesher.
This lid with this finial can go in the oven up to 500 degrees.
By the way, only order of the year, so when we go through what you can order, it's last
Exactly.
fall.
Helper handles here on the side, nice low profile here, great capacity, and a stunning silhouette.
Yeah.
Absolutely
remember,
gorgeous.
We're down to 2 choices in our today's special value. It was not even a full day ago when Tara and David, I have not seen David at midnight in forever. When you guys popped up on Girls Night In, I was like, whoa, what's going on? But here we start with everything,
like, look at
but
this.
we will not last with everything in this show.
Do you walk into like a store and see 15 different options and colors? Nope.
Never.
You can here.
Never.
That's what we love.
Never.
And great shot, you guys. Thank you. Hand painting on the outside, and you can see the sneak peek because you see that cook and look lid. There's your confetti. Next door to the confetti is going to be your old world in red. We have it in your classic green. And then right down below the green, you're going to see in a moment, of course, that gorgeous cobalt blue.
And then the on-fire favorite of the night has been floral lace.
Floral lace. So there, of course, I was showing you the blue before. Here's the red. There's the black next to Jane, and there's the cranberry. We also have that inky cobalt blue, which we'll share again in a moment.
Oh my gosh,
look at the doodle.
All the floral lace is gone.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
All the floral, so we've had 1,500 ordered. We have 1,000
I'm gonna help you
on the line.
Okay.
Camille, you need help because I'm going to be handing a lot.
I'm gonna just put it here. And
Floral
all
lace.
of them? You're gonna grab
All
the
of
black?
them.
I'll grab the blue.
All of them.
Wow.
All of them.
My goodness.
I'm telling you. I told
even
you,
Lisa said, wow.
It's the 11 o'clock number. This is the big Broadway belt. I'm going to start singing Memories in a cat costume pretty soon.
Maybe a rooster, okay? Maybe you do it in a
What
rooster.
if there's a Broadway show with a rooster? I'll
All
have
right,
to think
there
about
we
that.
go. Here, of course, we have our red doodle. Here we have our black doodle, hand painted on the inside, and of course, hand applied accents on the outside as well. And then that cook and look lid, that sweet profile. I love this piece. Again, a great cover. Here we did it in Believe. So one of the first times we've ever done, well, I know we've never done, a glass cook and look lid with our Believe pattern. So if you've been slowly collecting this, we just kind of debuted it. This is such a sweet way. Then we also have the white. Look at how stunning it looks with the white woodland.
That is beyond.
Right.
Again, you walk into that store, you see something that you have to handle with kid gloves, and you might see a 1 in front of this.
Just gonna say that.
Come on.
And you would easily say, I'm getting it.
Oh, it's so
Absolutely.
wonderful. Yeah. In that voice.
I have to have it.
Yeah, you have to have this.
And then beneath that, we have, of course, our buttercream. We have that great gray, and we have that slate blue, and I'm obsessed with how beautiful the silver finial looks on all of them.
And there are 22 minutes left at this price.
I'm gonna grab this
And
guy.
just like we talked about with our today's special value and our one-time only value, we can guarantee this is the lowest price for 3 months. Like, you know, when you go to a party where everybody looks at what presents you're opening up, whether it's a Pollyanna in your family or it's a shower that you're going to, this is the wow.
This is the wow.
This is the wow.
It is, when we talk about one dish cooking, like there are some pieces that just lend itself, right? You have that great depth, you have the helper's handles here, but remember, cold things cold as well as hot things hot. Like, look how deep I can get in.
Moving more.
Uh-oh, did you say white woodland?
White woodland is gone. White Believe is last call.
So you
Fewer
can
than
get
100.
nice and deep inside that cold salad. And then, of course, you have that great lid that you can go ahead and put right on there. And then again, that's what we love about it. All of our food, whether you're cooking with it, baking with it, or serving with it, you're good and ready to go. And speaking of baking, I can take my KitchenAid hand mixer. I can mix right inside there. I can put it in the oven. I can bake it. I can cut right in there and serve it. And if I have any leftovers, you better believe it, I'm putting that lid right on there and keeping it fresher longer.
So half the quantity.
What were you doing over there? Sorry, friends.
That was a total cleanup in aisle 7.
We were just talking about that.
Were you really?
We were just
doing it?
Well,
yeah.
someone said, have you ever dropped something on television? And I said, only once with Jane, and she had the best line, as I'm covered in lasagna, the camera was not on, she goes, clean up in aisle 7.
And do you want to know, when I'm selling boots,
Amazing.
how many times I talk about that moment? Do you? Yeah, because it was summertime. Like it was like, I guess, like late summer, early fall.
Yes.
And a lot of us were in like open-toed shoes, and you had boots on.
Yes.
And it was all over
It
your
was
shoes.
everywhere.
It was the annex.
It's like a crime scene.
Yeah.
Like truly, I had red pasta sauce forever. It's probably still there. It's probably still there.
Speaking of selling out, the White Believe is now gone.
Oh, all right. We got to get. By the way, I didn't even show you the bee on the inside. I'll show it for you on the buttercream. Look how sweet.
Oh.
So you have that sculptural bee right there on the inside. Look at how gorgeous
This is so fun. Brian, what in the world is happening?
Right. Rein us in, Brian.
Okay, Old World, which is all gone in our value of the day, is now last call in all choices.
Oh my goodness.
We literally have 4 dozen in each.
Oh, wow.
We have 4 dozen in each.
Okay.
The doodles are my jam.
They're the best, right? And I love the fact that we still have that in our today's special value, although limited, I know. This is with the Cook and Look lid, a great way to add to
About
it.
125 in each.
Okay.
And please get the today's special value to go with that.
So
You're going to wake up tomorrow morning and be so bummed. Or actually, as soon as I show you something that I think everybody, including Tara, is buying at midnight, you'll not believe when I tell you the price. It really is amazing.
I'm super excited.
But that moment is when your today's special values price goes up.
Right.
So.
And whatever we have left, we're never going to do it again.
No.
So these key pieces are amazing. There is that beautiful buttercream in our Believe, completely sculptural with the sweet bee floating around there on the inside.
There's about 250 left.
And then down in the bottom, we have what's left of our woodland, our buttercream, our gray, and our slate blue.
And about 200 each.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, wow,
We've
wow.
had 3,000 ordered in this show. We have 1,000 people waiting on the phone lines. That's why you tap your app, go to QVC.com. Just, like, please don't wait.
It's one of these
so
things,
good.
you hit it perfectly. When you think of $30 and you think, what does $30 buy me? I don't think it buys you a show-stopping piece of 3 quarts, helper handles, Cook and Look lid that gives you the ability to watch what you're cooking instead of opening the oven 500 times. Just don't put this in the microwave, okay? That's the only thing I ask of the Cook and Look lid. But it can go in the oven up to 500 degrees. This is that memory-making piece. Paellas, pastas, salads, everything you could possibly need. Love this piece.
And get a couple. Get more than one.
It's actually a great call.
Yeah, because like maybe the one is like the main dish and then you do the fabulous dessert in it. Last call, price goes up at the end of this show and lowest price for 3 months guaranteed. In Old World, we have red and confetti. There's 4 dozen in each. That's it. That's it. That's it. So we